Hello, I'm Jenovic from Anoka County 4-H, and today we're going to be learning how to make slime. So the first ingredient you're going to need is borax, and you're going to grab 1.5 teaspoons of borax. Make sure to flatten it down that it's exactly centered. And then you're going to need 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of water, and then you're going to grab your spoon and mix it up until all the borax is dissolved. And the tip that I'll give you guys is that use hot water. It dissolves the borax way better. So about when you start seeing no more borax in it, that's when you'll just put it aside and then bring in a bigger bowl. So then you would need 1/4 cup of glue. And then after you get your 1/4 cup, you put it inside your big bowl. Try to get all the glue inside. So then now you're going to use the same thing, and this time you can use normal temperatured water, and then you can either pour it, or you can dip the 1/4 cup in, and then you pour it inside the glue. Then you grab your spoon from before, and then you mix. After you mix, you grab your color, and then you put 2 to 3 drops of it in. And then you continue mixing. So when you're done mixing, it should look about like this. So then you're going to grab your tablespoon, and then you're going to take 1 tablespoon of your dissolved borax, and then you pour it in, and then you grab your spoon and continue mixing. And then take it again once you've already mixed in all the other borax, and take 1/2 tablespoon of borax dissolved. And then you remix. And then if your slime starts getting a little bit more like hard, you can start mixing with your hands. So then, after you're done mixing, your slime should look like this. It's okay if it's a little bit hard and if it's a little bit rippy, but now you're gonna use your senses, and you're gonna see like how your slime feels, how it smells, what you can hear from it. And you can do some other ones, like if you poke it in, does it rise slowly, does it just not rise, does it not go in, and do some of those. So the ones that I'm going to do with you guys are the ones that we're going to test how it feels. So you could just like play with yours around, and then you can like feel how it feels. Mine kind of feels like soft, but then when you pull it, it's not really that soft. And when I smell it, smells like glue. And then what I can hear from it is just little tiny like. And then now I'm just gonna try poking it and see what happens. It rises up very slow. And yeah, and you guys can also do some other ones with you guys' parents and friends at home. Thank you for watching how to make slime science project, and hope you enjoyed.